everyone, my today's recipe is Punjabi style spinach dal that I have learned it from one of the YouTubers. So for that we need soak chana dal or split peas. Take a pressure cooker, add some turmeric, ghee, ginger garlic paste and some salt. Make sure you soak it for 1 hour, okay, before you start this process. Now I'm going to do 1 to 2 whistle. After that you turn off the flame. Make sure your dal is cooked, okay, before you start the next procedure. So let's leave it on the side. Let's take another pan, olive oil, ajwain, jeera, dry red chili, onion, tomato, turmeric powder, khati masala or pav bhaji masala, coriander cumin powder, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic. Now add some spinach. Cook it really well. Now add our dal. Cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Add some kasturi methi, amchur powder, garam masala at the end. It tastes really well and it goes very well with rice and puri. Do try it and let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.